over. Oh, no, get out of the way. Move. Move.
Good morning. I need to buy water, so might as well take the garrafon before I go to work. I'm going back from lunch. Finally! And I forgot that today is like my Friday, Sunday kind of thing, because I don't work tomorrow, but I'm only out for one day, so I'm off. I'm just gonna go jump in the pool. Better be safe than sorry. We're gonna go to a donut shop and get tea or soda. I don't know. He wants something, so we're.
Girlfriend has stuff in here. Sorry.
We were gonna watch a movie, but we're just gonna play Minecraft, I guess. I'm tired and we're hanging out.
What?
We're hanging out.
No. My hair's crazy. Don't look at me. Stop it! Music. We're getting you want an ice cream, and look at this line.
Look at your window.
So?
Look, at least that guy tries to clean.
Wash my car then.
Yeah, I don't even wash my. Look.
Douchebag.
I told you, one guy is gonna get you from there.
That's it.
Okay, that'll be 139 at the first window.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dudes! Yay!
It kind of smells though. It smells weird.
I got 2 dip cones because they took forever.
We got this one free.
Yeah, he got his free. What?
Turn over. Oh, no, get out of the way. Move.
Oh,
Move. Oh, fuck.
Oh, I think I recorded that. Bird killer. Everybody gets to go to Kotori but me. I've been craving it for so long. Someone come down and invite me to Kotori because I want Kotori. I really want it so bad.
Yes, can I get the number 6?
The number 6, do you want the combo or just a sandwich?
Large combo?
Okay, regular fries, curly fries?
Regular fries with a Coke?
And the drink?
A Coke.
Dr. Pepper?
Coke.
Okay, I'm sorry, with the Coke?
Yeah.
Okay, anything else?
We are gonna go buy Jack in the Box and we are kind of hungry, so yeah.
They put the girl inside.
I guess she doesn't work nights. We've been playing Minecraft for a long time.
Like 5 hours straight.
Yeah, it's crazy. My eyes are all dry and they hurt, but it was cool. We were playing with his friend, so it was kind of fun, and we made a bunch of things. So I don't know, it was a pretty cool day. I'm just really tired. It's late. I just want to go to sleep, but I'm starving. We didn't make anything because we're playing, and I don't know. I didn't edit. I published a video. I didn't get a chance to edit, but hopefully I'll be able to do it tomorrow a little more because I'm off.
I bet their fryers are gonna be off because they're cleaning.
I think so. How come you didn't go to the other one?
This one?
No, the other one.
What's wrong with this one?
What?
What's wrong with this one?
Because you said the fryers are gonna be off.
Oh, it can be in both places. This one's closer.
Anyways, so I think that's gonna be it for today. I think this vlog is really short because I don't think I vlogged that much. But yeah, just late. We're just gonna eat here real quick, and I'm just gonna go to sleep. You gonna go to sleep?
Nah, all-nighter.
It's crazy. He'll probably stay playing with his friend.
No, I'm gonna go to sleep.
So we'll talk to you tomorrow. So I can really vlog like that. I mean, I can, but it's gonna die pretty quick. And I'm like, are you serious? I need to vlog because I don't want to go to sleep, because if I go to sleep